Shipbuilding can be a highly rewarding and promising career choice for several compelling reasons. Innovation and technology. Shipbuilding is at the forefront of technological advancements, incorporating cutting-edge materials, design software, and manufacturing techniques. Working in this industry allows you to stay updated with the latest innovations and be a part of shaping the future of maritime engineering. Diverse job opportunities. Shipbuilding encompasses a wide range of professions, including naval architects, marine engineers, welders, fitters, electricians, project managers, and more. This diversity ensures that there are ample opportunities for career growth and specialization. Global industry. The shipbuilding industry is global, which means you can work on projects all around the world. This offers the chance to collaborate with people from diverse cultures and gain exposure to different environments. Job security. The demand for ships, including cargo vessels, cruise ships, and offshore structures, remains consistent due to international trade and maritime transportation. This demand ensures a relatively stable job market for skilled shipbuilders. Pride in accomplishment. Building a ship is a tangible achievement that can last for decades, even centuries. Knowing that your work plays a part in connecting people and goods across the seas can be incredibly fulfilling. Highly skilled workforce. Shipbuilding requires skilled professionals who possess expertise in various disciplines. As a shipbuilder, you will be part of a respected and competent workforce. Job satisfaction. The shipbuilding process can be intellectually stimulating, and overcoming challenges during construction can be immensely satisfying. Witnessing the completion of a ship you contributed to can bring a great sense of pride and accomplishment. Competitive compensation. Due to the specialized nature of shipbuilding, professionals in this industry often receive competitive salaries and benefits. Opportunity for creativity. Shipbuilding involves a combination of engineering principles and artistic design. This blend of creativity and technical knowledge offers a unique platform for innovative solutions. In summary, shipbuilding offers a dynamic and intellectually stimulating career path that allows you to contribute to the advancement of maritime technology while enjoying a sense of accomplishment and global opportunities. If you have a passion for engineering, innovation, and the sea, shipbuilding can be a perfect fit for you.